When we bought this lumber, it was astronomically priced. Hey, Big Country, you say we get this last piece up and we get out of here.
This is it. That's all that's left.
We got pipe going up everywhere. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 pipes going up.
Tom, what are you doing here today, Tom?
Quarter center. I got 6 inches, why not? So the first hole we got to cut is around a 3-inch pipe. I don't have a hole saw for that, so I took my skill saw, made a nice little square hole. I think the easiest way for us to do this work is to cut everything into small sections and piece it all together because this pipe's going up everywhere.
So basically all that's left for us to do under here is the plywood for this last section that has all of the cutouts in it, and then we need to seal up all of the gaps and hang some lights down here, and then we're completely done underneath the house. Yes. And we can get it all closed in with stone, which is what we're most excited about, because we just want to get everything done and really enjoy the exterior of the house. It'll be beautiful once it's finished.
Once the deck's up and done and everything's done, it's gonna look great.
Yeah.
45 3/8. We should be good, Aaron. That's good enough. Okay.
Do you know where you're cutting?
I think so.
I feel like it's going pretty well so far.
Yeah, it could be worse. We could be just starting this project.
We can do this guy.
That's what we should.
Okay, good.
Where's that bird coming from? I'm so much faster than you. Yeah, right? Ready to throw up a full piece? Just so you know, it's the hardest part to do. We got it. We have extra big holes. We're actually gonna spray foam all these shut.
Yeah, we gotta go back and seal everything up. But for right now, we're just gonna get the plywood up.
Yes.
But now, so now we can actually put a full sheet up. It actually looks like we're gonna start being able to
rock and roll, hopefully.
Yeah, that's pretty encouraging, I think.
I agree. I'm excited. Are you?
Are you excited about doing plywood?
No, I'm excited about this freaking job done. I mean, this thing's been a long time coming. We've been putting this task off for many, many moons now. It's true.
the thing is, it feels a little bit less daunting right now because the entire interior of the house is done. So it's not like we're, trying to put out fires all over the place, like deal with stuff inside and deal with stuff outside. Like now we're completely focused on the outside. So I feel like it's not quite so overwhelming.
Yeah, and the house is not construction zone anymore. The
It's
inside.
not.
There's not tools everywhere. There's material everywhere. It's done. It's the house.
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah. We live in a house.
Yes.
I don't know, I'm bored. I think we should do it all over again. From the ground up.
Bruh?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Next time with a smaller crawl space.
How about next time with no crawl space? It'd be cool if we did it on a deserted island too. That'd be cool.
You know who we should have doing all the work under here? You. Because you're the perfect size to be down here. With a big old sheet of plywood and a screw gun. What do you think? Can we hire you?
We can pay you in pizza tonight.
How much do you want me to pay you?
I'll get 15 pizza and 15 chocolate cakes.
Again?
Yeah.
And how about, do you want ranch for your pizza?
15 ranches.
There's 15 ranches.
Everybody pays their kids in food, right? Who am I kidding? You could pay me in food too.
Mom,
What?
will you be mad if that light is broken?
No, honey. It's okay. It's just a light. We'll fix it or we'll get a new one. It's not a big deal.
So my guess it is broken, right?
No.
It's broken. I bet it's broken.
It doesn't matter. You know what? How about this? How about we see if we can fix the light? And then how about we get something delicious for dessert tonight?
Chocolate cake!
Again?
Yeah.
One of the lamps tipped over inside the house apparently, but such is life with kids, right?
Pretty much.
Back to work. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey. Dive into topics like film and video, photography, and graphic design, and witness your own transformation as you turn small steps into giant leaps. I'm currently taking the class SketchUp Make 2017, a beginner's guide part 3. There are multiple parts in this course by Matthew Abbott where he teaches you the basics of SketchUp Make 2017. It's a simple and useful class for anyone who wants to create and visualize a building in 3D. And since we have some major building projects coming up, this class is helping Josh and I visualize where we want to go with the house build. The first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in the description box below will get 30% off an annual premium membership. Even if you've already had a free trial of Skillshare, you can still take advantage of this offer to get a full year of unlimited learning and creative exploration. Now let's get back to the build.
Don't Mom, I'm not. Okay, Mom?
Thanks, honey. You're an asset to the team, Ellie. Couldn't do it without you. How's he doing, Chuck?
Where's he at? I was over my shoulder.
He's watching you, making sure you're doing a good job.
He's eyeballing the out of me.
He doesn't look pleased at all.
Hey, Big Country, you say we get this last piece up and we get out of here.
All right, yeah.
Hey guys,
What's up?
hey, can we put the hammock up today?
It's starting to rain.
It's okay, we'll still hang out in it.
All right.
Been wanting to put up for the past few days, haven't done it yet.
No, it's rainy though.
Well,
I mean, it's starting to rain out.
It's not raining, it's starting to rain. It's a little bit of a mist.
It's a drizzle.
Almost a
drizzle. Not exactly ideal hammock weather.
Let's put it up quick. No big deal. Right here, between those two. Do you think it too?
Yeah. Daddy.
What?
That's a good area.
That's a good area?
Yeah.
I think this one right here. A little stretched out, we can lay it here.
Long enough. You
Yes.
swing back and forth.
Swing, swing. Want help? I want help.
Thank you, honey.
I want to swing on it.
You guys swing on it?
Yeah, with Hayden color. It's like big.
Daddy, you gotta be sure you put it low enough to the ground for little
Albie?
people to get on it.
Okay, we'll do. There you go. Look, if you pull back, you get more leverage. Now try it.
There you go.
See?
I want to do it.
You wanna hang the hammock on there? Are you gonna be using the hammock even in the rain?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, we're in hatchet.
I think that goes on, babe.
Got it.
Got it. Good
job.
It's definitely too low.
Let's go.
Way too low.
Move it higher, no big deal. Hey,
Earth to Haiti. Are you already napping?
Yeah.
We have to move it higher. You gotta get up. Oh my goodness.
This is exactly like cave. Yeah, to go vacation. Yeah. Small vacation.
So now that all of the big sheets of plywood are up, we can finally start taping and getting everything sealed up.
yeah, so we have, I guess, gaps where we cut out for pipe, some wire coming down, all that good stuff. So we're gonna spray foam, all that, and then all the joints where all the plywood meets, we're gonna go ahead and use where I put my zip tape at. Zip tape right here, and we'll tape it and we'll roll it on.
Yes.
Not a big deal.
And then if we were to ever need to get up underneath the plywood, which we're not expecting to
No,
need to.
we're not planning on it, but if we
Just in
yeah,
case.
just in case we needed to, we could just cut, unscrew, drop down.
Yes.
But it would have been a lot faster if we used a nail gun.
Yeah.
A lot
But we
faster.
did not because we want to be able to access underneath there.
Yeah.
And it just, I mean, we could have if it was nailed up, but it just would have been a
You'd
major
be prying it down.
hassle.
It'd be awful.
Yes, so this gives us, you know, the ability to access under there if we need to,
Yeah.
and then just replace it and then put a little bit more tape on there and whatever, we're good to go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Easy enough.
All right.
I don't want to do this anymore though.
It's fine. I mean, it's got to get done one way or another, so, you know, we might as well do it now. At least we have a dry place to work. Come here, Josh. Time to give you a whack.
Okay, hold on. Let me get that thing going. There it goes. Look at that. See?
If you see this portion that's over here, this is also going to need to be closed in, but we don't have enough plywood for
We're
it.
short.
Yes, and that's because this plywood we actually bought.
I think last September. We started the project last September.
Yes.
We didn't finish the project. And we bought this lumber. It was astronomically priced at $42 a sheet. Now it's crazy insane price at $74 a sheet, I think it is.
It's insane.
Yeah.
But we are gonna have to buy some more just so we can finish this off. It's gonna be easy to manage because it's all small pieces, but paying the price for it is no fun.
No, so we're probably about 3 sheets short.
Yes.
Whatever.
We're gonna eat it.
We'll eat it. We'll pay. We'll get it done. So it's done. So we're gonna come back under here again and do it again later on. So
Yes.
But that's done. You just need to work that, girl.
For as long as Josh and I have been together, we have always gotten in the trenches together, so to speak. It's made pushing through the hard or undesirable moments in life so much easier. We hike the mountain together so we can rest with each other when we reach the top.